Right? Good morning, all of you. Once again. Now, today we are going to discuss the interpolation with unequal intervals. For unequal intervals, we have to use the two formulas. One is known as Lagrange's interpolation formula, and other is Newton's divided difference formula. Or in other way, we are calling that one as Newton's general interpolation formula with unequal intervals. First, we are going to move into the formula Lagrange's interpolation formula. Yesterday, we are discussed the Lagrange's interpolation formula on the function y is equal to f of x, which takes the values y is equal to y0, y1, y2, etc., yn. Corresponding to the values x is equal to x0, x1, etc., xn. Then f of x is equal to, this is the formula. It is very simple that we have to understood. Lagrange's interpolation formula. Right? Now, f of x is equal to, here we have to observe the number variables x0 to xn, y0 to yn. Only we are doing the values in x arguments. First, we have to take the point x0, argument x0. So simply we have to ignore that. We should not put the x0 in the numerator, and we have to take in the denominator. That means we have to write starting with x minus x1 into x minus x2, etc., etc., x minus xn. And we have to take into consideration in the denominator. That means you have to subtract each and every argument x1 to xn from x0. That we have to write as x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2, etc., etc., x0 minus xn into f of x0 or y0. That is the first value. Coming to the second one, you have to ignore the x1 in the numerator and subtract each and every one from the x1 in the denominator. Therefore, we have to write x minus x0. ఇక్కడ x0 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ x1 రాదు. x minus x2, etc., etc., x minus xn whole divided by. Now we have to, from x1 we have to subtract each and every value. Denominator lo x1 subtract cheyam. x1 minus x2, etc., etc., x1 minus xn into y1 plus so on. In general, coming to the last one, x minus xn into, x minus x0 into x minus x2, etc., etc., x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x0, xn minus x1, etc., etc., xn minus xn minus 1 into y. This formula is known as Lagrange's interpolation formula. It is very easy to remember also, right? Now let us note down one problem related to this one. Find the polynomial f of x. Find the polynomial f of x by using Lagrange's formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula. and hence find f of 3 for the following data. Note down the data. X corresponding values f of x or y. 0, 1, 2, 5. That means we have to observe here 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. లేదు ఇక్కడ మనకేముంది 0, 1, 2, 5 ఉంది అంటే ఏమి unequal intervals. That is very, very important. Whereas in the previous Newton's forward, Newton's backward, Gauss forward, Gauss backward. All these are related to the only with equal intervals. Whereas this Lagrange's and formula used for unequal intervals. Now corresponding y values are 2, 3, 12, 47. Now here, note down what are the values given here. Here x naught is equal to, tell me anyone, what are the values of x naught? 0, x1, please respond. Chepamma. 1, x2, 2, x3, 5. Similarly, corresponding y values. Y naught 2, y1 3, y2 12, y4 47. Now here values observations are 4. Therefore, we get the polynomial of the form cubic polynomial. We get the cubic polynomial. Observations 4 అయితే ఏ polynomial వస్తుంది మనకు? Cubic polynomial. Now, by Lagrange's formula, write down the formula. F of x is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x naught minus x3 into y naught plus, that is the first one. Suppose x4 కూడా x5 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇంకా పెరుగుతాయి. That is important. x minus x naught, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, y2 plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3. Therefore, we have to substitute all the values. That is equal to, what is the values of first one? X minus x1. x1 is equal to 1 into x minus x2, 2, x minus 5 divided by x naught. X naught is equal to 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2. ఇక్కడ కామన్ గా ఉంటుంది న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 0 minus 5 into y naught. Y naught is equal to 2 plus x minus 0, x minus 2, x minus 5 divided by 1 minus x1. What is the value of x1? 1. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 5 into y1, 3. Plus, shall I move the page into the? Shall I move the slide? Shall I move it? Anyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Plus x minus x naught, 0, x minus 1, x minus 5 divided by 2 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5 into y2, 12 plus last one, x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 2. Last element 5 kada. That is 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2 into 147. Right? Now give me the equation. First ఎంత వస్తుంది? X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. జాగ్రత్తగా ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలి దీన్ని. ఇదంతా ఈక్వేషన్ చేస్తే నేను చేశాను x cubed plus x square ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. నేను చేసిన ఒకసారి మిస్టేక్ ఉండొచ్చు కదా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ఇట్. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో
sir.
రాశాను. చెక్ చేయండి నాన్న. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2. దిస్ ఈస్ ద పాలినోమియల్, క్యూబిక్ పాలినోమియల్. మనకు 4 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి క్యూబిక్ పాలినోమియల్ వచ్చింది. అదే 5 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చింటే 4th డిగ్రీ పాలినోమియల్ వచ్చింది. Now again we need to find out f of 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 cubed plus 3 square minus 3 plus 2. ఇది చెప్పండి, ఇది ఈజీనేగా. (27 plus 9 minus 3 plus 2). 27 plus 9, 27 plus 8,
53,
35.
sir.
30,
37,
25. 35 కదా.
yes sir, 35 sir.
రైట్. ఓకే, ఈజీనే కదా ఇది. జస్ట్ ఒక్క ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఒక్కటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే చాలు, మొత్తం ఎన్నేం రాయొచ్చు మనం. Now again we have to move one more problem in the same way. Okay, note any question. A curve passes through the points a curve passes through the points 0, 18, 0, 18, 1, 10, 3, minus 18, and 6, 90. Find the slope of the curve. Find the slope of the curve at x is equal to 2. Find the slope of the curve at x is equal to 2. What is the meaning of slope? Anyone? Slope. F of y is equal to f of x is a curve. What is its slope? Anyone please? Slope. Y is equal to f of x is a curve. It implies what is its slope? What is its slope? Please. Emma, slope. మీకు తెలుసు. Please tell me whether it may be correct or wrong. Don't bother about that one.
y2 minus y1 by x2.
That is the equation.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus y1 అనేది స్లోప్ కదా. ఎప్పుడు 2 పాయింట్ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు.
Yes sir.
కర్వ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు y is equal to mx plus c లో స్లోప్ ఏమంటాము? m కదా. దాన్ని ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం ఫార్ములా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ స్లోప్? If the
M1
curve is
M3
equal to ax plus by plus c, స్లోప్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్
Minus
టు
a by
మైనస్
b.
బి బై ఏ అంటాం కదా. దాన్ని మనం ఇంకొక ఫార్ములా కనుక్కోవాలంటే కర్వ్ ఇచ్చాడు అనుకో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి, ఏఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి కి వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ స్లోప్?
Minus a by b.
minus b by a.
మైనస్ బి బై ఏ లైన్ కరెక్ట్ మా. మైనస్ బి బై ఏ అనేది లైన్ కరెక్ట్, బట్ కర్వ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఏఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి. పెరాబోలా ఉందనుకో వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ స్లోప్?
m into x.
మర్చిపోయినారా? చెప్పు.
m into
ఇట్స్
x.
డెరివేటివ్. It's derivative dy by dx. That is equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx is called the slope. Dy by dx is called the slope of the line. Now here, given what are the write down the values? X naught is equal to 0. X1 is equal to 1. X2 is equal to 3. X3 is equal to 6. Similarly, y naught is equal to 18. Y1 is equal to 10. Y2 is equal to minus 18. Y3 is equal to 90. As usual, first we have to find the polynomial, cubic polynomial. 4 observations ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి cubic polynomial వస్తుంది. దాని డెరివేటివ్ కనుక్కొని at x is equal to 2 రాస్తే we will get this answer. Okay. Now by Lagrange's formula, f of x is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3 into y naught plus 1. Same formula. Okay. Complete గా ఫార్ములా అంతా రాద్దామా? అవసరం లేదా? ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో రాయాలి మనం. We will get 2 marks for the formula. X minus x naught, x minus x2, x minus x3 by x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 by 1 plus, I will write it in the next page. Plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x3 by x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 by 2 plus last one, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 by x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 y3. Now we have to substitute the values. It is equal to x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 6 by 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6 into what is the first value? Y naught. Y naught is equal to 18. Y naught is equal to 18 plus x minus 0, x minus 3, x minus 6 by 1 minus 0, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 6 into what is y1? 10
Sir.
plus next x minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 6 by 3, 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 6 and y2. What is the value of y2? Minus 18. Right. Plus last value. X minus 0, x minus 1, x minus 3 by 6 minus 0, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 3 into 90. Okay. Now find out this polynomial. జాగ్రత్తగా ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ చేసేది నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇది డినామినేటర్ సెపరేట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలి కాన్స్టెంట్ పక్కన. న్యూమరేటర్ మాత్రం 3 ప్రోడక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎంత వస్తుంది? This value is equal to 2x square, sorry, 2x cubed minus 10x square plus 18. Now, this is f of x. Now, f dash of x is equal to derivative 2 into 3 into x square minus 10 into 2 into x. That is equal to 6x square minus 20x. Now, f dash of x at slope x is equal to 2. It is equal to 6 into 2 square minus 20 into 2. That is equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఎంత నాన్న?
Minus 16.
Minus 60. Good. That is the answer. Okay. This is the method that we have to find out the polynomial, cubic polynomial, or at the value for x is equal to some value by using Lagrange's method for unequal intervals. For unequal intervals. And again, we have to do one more problem in the same phenomena, but it is different than this one that we have to see. Write down the question. Write down the Lagrange's polynomial. Write down the Lagrange's polynomial passing through the points through here given as general points x0, y0, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Hence, express. This is the question. Hence, express. This is the one. 3x square plus x plus 1. 3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3. Three x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 as sum of partial fractions. Sum of partial fractions. Partial fractions. This is some different peculiar problem that we have to observe in the previous one, right? Now, first, as usual, we have to find out the 3 points are given. Therefore, we get a quadratic equation, right? x0, x1, x0, x1, x2, y0, y1, y2. First, we have to find out write down the polynomial for that one. Simply, right? Right. Given points. x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, Lagrange's polynomial passing through the points. Lagrange's polynomial Lagrange's polynomial passing through the points. So as usual, we have write out f of x is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2. X minus x1 into x minus x2 divided by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into y0 plus second point x minus x0 x minus x2 by x1 minus x0 x1 minus x2 y1 plus third point x minus x0 into x minus x1 by x2 minus x0 into x2 minus x1 y0. These are the 3 points. Okay. Now, given what is the given function 3x square plus x plus 1. Now consider the numerator. Now, this is very, very important. You have to take the numerator. Now consider the numerator. What is the numerator? Tell me anyone. What is the numerator? 3x square plus x plus 1. So taking as a numerator as f of x, let f of x is equal to 3x square plus x plus 1. 3x square plus x plus 1. Now, when we have to observe the question in the denominator, what are the values? X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Therefore, for that values 1, 2, 3. Suppose x minus 1, x minus 5, x అట్లా ఉండేదనుకో అప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకోవాలి అక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తారో అవే వాల్యూస్ మనం ఇక్కడ x గా చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫండమెంటల్ పాయింట్. నౌ టేకింగ్ ఇక్కడ పక్క పేజీలో చూపిస్తాను. This values. This one, this one, this one. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ వాల్యూస్ అయితే ఇచ్చింటాడో అవే వాల్యూస్ ని అక్కడ టేక్ తీసుకోవాలి. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ 1, 4, 8 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకో అప్పుడు ఏం చేసుకోవాలి అక్కడ x is equal to 1, 4, 8. That we have to choose like that, taking the x values. Okay. Say yes or no. Respond please. Take x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now we have to form the values x f of x values 1, 2, 3. Corresponding values. Find out the function. From the function we can find out the value of f of x. When x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, 1, 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Again x is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Then next x is equal to 3, 3 square is equal to 9, 9 plus 3, 27, 21 plus 3, 27 plus 3, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. This is the table value. Very easy. I have to think only is we have to remember how we are going to find the values. Right? Now here x naught is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 3. Similarly, y naught is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 15, and y2 is equal to 31. Okay, now using Lagrange's interpolation formula, using Lagrange's interpolation formula, already pine rasam ade. You have write f of x is equal to, shall I move the slide? F of x is equal to, first one undi కాబట్టి 1 తీసుకోము, x minus 2 into x minus 3 by 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3, and y naught. What is the value of y naught? 5. Plus second one, x minus 1, x minus 3 by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3, y1. y1 is equal to 15. Plus x minus 1, x minus 2 by 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 into 31. Okay, so numerator alage unchandi, that is equal to f of x is equal to, here minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus plus avutundi 2, that is equal to 5 by 2, x minus 2, x minus 3 into 5 by 2, x minus 3, x minus 2 into 5 by 2, plus second one, x minus 1, x minus కింద ఏముంది 2, here is minus 1, minus is there, therefore we have to write here minus. Minus x minus 1, x minus 3 into 15. Next third one, plus 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 2, 1, 31 by 2, x minus 1, x minus 2 into 31 by 2. Right, this is f of x. Now what is the given function? Express the function 3x square plus x plus 1 ela rayachu manamu. We have to write this one is in the form. Now 3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to, numerator part manaki em vachindi idi, these are the numerator part. So ee part divided by denominator part, numerator by denominator. First one 5 by 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by denominator part, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus second one 15 into minus 15 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 plus 31 by 2 into x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Now we have to strike out the common terms from numerator and denominator. Here is x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3. Here is x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 3. Here is x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. And what is the remaining part? That is equal to only 5 by 2 by x minus 1 minus 15 by x minus 2 plus 31 by 2 by x minus 3. This is the given function. 3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into sum of the partial fractions form. By using Lagrange's method. By using Lagrange's method. Okay. This is very easy. Right? Now, we have moved into the second one.
Drop.
Nana చెప్పు ఏమా Okay, shall I move the slide? Okay. Now, concept of divided differences. Concept of divided differences. Differences తెలుసు డివైడెడ్ అంటే ఏమి దాంట్లో సగం దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ సింబల్ కూడా మనం ఇలా రాస్తాం డివైడెడ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ అని డివైడెడ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ రైట్ లెట్ x నాట్ y నాట్ comma x1 y1 comma x2 y2 etc are given points. Yeah, any points and any points given points. Now first divided difference. First divided difference. First divided difference for the arguments x naught and x1 is denoted by, this is the notation, denoted by ఇలా రాయొచ్చు x naught x1 ఇలా అన్న రాయొచ్చు or f of x naught x1 ఇలా అన్న రాయొచ్చు or delta of x1 f of x naught ఇలా అన్న రాయొచ్చు. These are the notations. Okay, and is defined as this is very important. x0 x1 is equal to మామూలుగా మన స్లోప్ ఫార్ములా ఏం చెప్తాము? ఇందాక మీరు చెప్పారు 2 పాయింట్ ఫార్ములా స్లోప్ కో
y2 minus y1 by x2 x6.
y2 minus y1 by
x2 minus
x2
x1.
minus x1. ఇక్కడ x0 y0 x1 y1 ఉన్న స్లోప్ ఏమవుతుంది? y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0. సింపుల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా. దీన్నే మనం f ఆఫ్ లో రాస్తే f of x1 minus f of x0 by x1 minus x0. దీన్నే సింబాలిక్ గా x1 లేదంటే y0 అనొచ్చు. అది x1 x1 కు x0. అలాగే x1 x2 కి సిమిలర్లీ ఎవరన్నా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. x1 x2 కి x1 x2 కి సేమ్
f of x2 minus f of x1 by
y2 minus y1 by
x2 minus x1.
x2 minus x1 or ఇందాక చెప్పా f of x2 minus f of x1 by
x2 minus x1.
x2 minus x1. దీన్నే మనం ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? డెల్టా ఆఫ్ x2 y0.
I know.
అది ఏదైనా కూడా డెల్టా y0 f of x0. x2 x3 y3 కి x2 x3 కి y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2. Okay, now I think time is over. Tomorrow I have to continue the second and Newton's divided difference formula. Thank you all of you. Don't leave the class. Please stay here.